Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 vs NL-AAC10, which rice cooker truly performs better? Let's take a closer look at both models. Today we compare features, performance, build quality, and overall value. Next, we look at the controls.
If you want perfect rice daily, this comparison matters.
Starting with NS-ZCC10, Zojirushi's classic Micom cooker, known for reliability and precision. This model uses microcomputer logic to adjust heat for consistent fluffy rice. Build quality feels premium, with thick inner pot and solid controls overall. Cooking results shine with white rice, brown rice, and mixed grain settings. Warm mode maintains texture for hours without drying or overcooking rice issues. Interface is simple, though display feels dated compared to newer models today. Cleaning is easy thanks to removable lid and non-stick inner pot design. This cooker focuses on performance over smart features or modern aesthetics alone. Energy usage is efficient, making it suitable for daily family cooking routines. Overall, NS-ZCC10 delivers dependable results for traditional rice lovers seeking consistent quality cooking.
Now let's examine the NL-AAC10 Micom rice cooker.
Micom technology offers intelligent cooking adjustments automatically. Cooking functions cover white, brown, mixed, and quick rice. The inner pot feels durable and evenly constructed.
Exterior design looks modern, compact, and space-efficient. Rice texture appears soft, evenly cooked, and consistent.
Keep warm mode preserves flavor for extended serving times.
Interface feels slightly more updated and user-friendly.
Great option for everyday families wanting reliability. Overall performance remains reliable and impressively consistent.
NS-ZCC10 wins for advanced precision and premium consistency. Choose NL-AAC10 for value, NS-ZCC10 for top-tier performance.